Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard SQ285 to Auckland.
Landscape amo ni?
Okay, vlog na lang mo.
Ay, isa. Hindi ka ga-move, fingers.
Welcome.
But my sugat arrived.
Hi, sorry we're late.
And they got me flowers. Sa airplane. Car park. So this is Auckland, guys. It's cloudy and it's kind of raining. So where are we going?
Going to the new house.
Okay. Let's wait for the empty apartment. This is the neighborhood charm. Going to Bliss Project. So welcome, and today I'm gonna show you an empty apartment here in Auckland. Oh yes, going inside, there's one room here for I think extra storage, and yes, the backyard over there. See how to clean, and then yes, go up here. Yunta?
Shared stairs.
Okay, shared stairs. It's a shared stairs, and going up here. No, this is the unit. Let's go. That's Camille. Say hi, Camille. Say hi, Camille. Hi. Shoes. Our high-heeled shoes. There's a TV cabinet there. So this is the kitchen. We don't have a ref yet, so we're gonna buy that. And storage. Oh, are the things yours? No. Tumbler. So that's our tumblers there. Their tumbler. And yes, the faucets. The kitchen is like that. And we have an oven and a microwave. And yes, this is it. So cute. I love the kitchen. We're gonna make a lot of food over here. Camille is gonna cook a lot of food. There's dishwasher. Cabinets, and let's open this door. And this is the view. No, yeah, view of the driveway. Nice. Yes, the living room is here, and there's a small, what do you call that, balcony over here. But of course it's raining, so yeah. Let's go outside. This guy bought a new TV and cabinet.
That's entertainment unit.
Entertainment, for the entertainment. This is the master's bedroom. This one is your room, diba? Yeah, they have a view over here, the coconut trees. Yeah. And there's storage unit. What storage unit? storage cabinet. So we shouldn't buy a lot of things. And is this gonna be my room? Is this gonna be my room? Is this? Oh, this is my room. Hello, this is my view. Oh, and it comes with the charm.
How many mo, table.
Okay. And my bedside table has arrived. I'm gonna assemble that later. It's a storage room over here. That's it. Empty. Kunwari empty house tour. The toilet. That's the washing machine. Our things are here because, yeah, that's the storage for now. And yes, bathtub, toilet, and that's me. Hello. Oi! We could already poop because there's toilet paper. Bought a carpet, purple. But it's so difficult to clean. Our
bamboo cutlery organizer.
Wow!
Our Simon Gold plates and cups and.
Left.
What's
bamboo
that?
organizer.
Another bamboo organizer.
Wow!
For I don't know. Okay lang.
Wala na.
That's all.
That's all. Madam, what's the vision for the space? Okay, English please for the viewers. English please.
So option A, we're gonna put the TV in here.
Over there.
And then
Option B.
And then the big sofa over here. And
The
then
L sofa. Is it the L sofa? L sofa.
And then a small coffee table in here. And option 2, Camille's option. Option is
Camille's option.
The TV in here. The L sofa here.
And the buffet table here.
Buffet table there. And we don't have space anymore.
That's the vision. And then over there, that side.
Figures. I don't want to speak in English.
Over that side, what are we gonna put over there?
The dining table.
Okay.
And some coat hangers in here.
Not coat hangers, but plants.
Okay, so
Plants.
plant. Instead of coat hangers, now it's gonna be tall plant. This is where the Wi-Fi
A
goes.
plant, is it like real plant?
Yeah, real plant. That will be alaga by Nico, who's our
Because I cannot alaga the real plants. They're gonna die. And then are we gonna put stools over here for our
bar stools here.
bar stools then?
High tables for the short ones. High chairs.
Yeah, so we're excited for our place over here. We're gonna make it cozy and homey.
Instagrammable.
And thanks to this tiny lady. This tiny lady. Camille.
Nice. Guys, figures. Welcome
to our new place here in
Welcome to our house.
Auckland. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
We will do a home tour, apartment tour next time if we have things here already. Okay. Okay. It's going to the side, but it's raining. It's raining. Oh, we're gonna. I like the smell of the flowers. There's I think there's a fitness club over there.
Sa mga steel na lang.
the nearest station.
No end.
Yes.
Nag-ano ata sila lang. Sitawag ano.
Sa ato ng ano? Sa ato ng kitchen. Ari lang ba?
Nipis mo kayo.
Makabilin log.
So, looking for
Isa lang kabilog, no?
kitchen
Kailan
things.
naman ito isa?
Ano oh?
We're looking for
Meron naman tao filter.
things.
Amo ni. Nagbakal ako ni. Diba?
Ako na ano.
Tatas. Yeah, so you can buy a lot of things over here. This is cute. Oh, this is serving board. This is nice. I love it. Lots of things over here. Sure. The bamboo turntable. All these things. This is medium foldable shelf. They have kettle.
Pura ito, di ba?
Kettle. They have a kettle.
Meron ka sa bago? Wala niya paggawa lang. Di ba na natin stable last time? Ano? Kitchen.
Nice. Okay.
Puti.
Coins. Yoga mats. This is nice. Ain't that nice? Coins. Waves. Yes. Okay guys, so next up we're gonna buy furnitures. Hey, this is cute. 124, 9 so expensive. I don't like this color. Not this color.
Tig pa to ilang tag yesterday.
So what are we looking for? Bed. I thought you have a bed already.
Looking for is mattress.
This one is nice.
You want
What size?
the bamboo.
369. May picture na ko ito, tara. Ang sofa na lang.
I love
So we're looking for a sofa.
ano ni?
Okay. Nice. Char. So what's the budget? Decided to take this one. It's the 2-seat sofa. So cloudy today. He got scammed.
Scammers, kuya. Enjoy your the rest of your day off.
What's that? What did you just say just now? Video? What did you say just now?
Excited ako sa balay ito.
I think
British.
In English,
Hindi accent.
can you translate in English?
Hindi accent for how?
Sure.
Busog! So full! And now we are walking under the rain.